Hi, welcome to Eat, Play, Love. The artwork here is called Family Leaves, and these pictures are from my family archives. In this living room, we've got two interesting pieces of work. This one is Mike Chang. It is inspired by the cups that he found in my kitchen. This film is about me growing up in the house, made by Lei and Bin. Eating is a really important part of any family. So this is the work of Susanna Tan, Bing Lemak, based on my mother's and my grandmother's recipe books. This is called Bedtime. I wanted to do an artwork that just reflects all the different things that happen in bed. Last piece of work is called Pang Tio. Pang Tio means let go in Teochew. And this entire exhibition is a celebration of the lives that my family has had in this house. This is the end to the end of the entire exhibition.